Hey y'all, hey, it's Reese. Welcome back for a quick little video. First, let me say thank you to all of my old subscribers and welcome to my new subscribers. New subscribers, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know what every single time I come through with a new video. So with that being said, as always, we are going to get right into this video. All right, so someone sent me the video, and basically what it involved was Strong Mommy Chrissy, Christina, Starla Omega, and anything else that you feel the need to call her. Now, I know that I think it was yesterday, it was her birthday, as in today her birthday is completely over. So the thing that gets me is, in the actual title, it said something dealing with CPS. When I saw the CPS, I did not care about any other things that she might have been talking about. But wait a minute, people. What really got me was the fact that I would have been on camera, being as though it was my birthday a day ago, running down to you all the things that I did on my birthday, sharing any gifts with you, sharing any pictures that I may have taken. I would have been stoked. You're at a mark which is 30 years old. Normally at your 30-year-old mark, it is time for you to go ahead and completely grow up, glow up, whichever up that you feel the need to say. But it is clearly time for you to grow up, all right? It is time for you to know how to take care of all of your responsibilities, as well as money responsibilities. It's no need to keep playing dumb with money, all right? And as well as being a better mom, okay? I mean, that's normally what you want to do. When you're 30, you want to be able to look at your 30s when you are 40 to say, this was basically the landmark which turned me completely into the beautiful woman that I am now. All right. But instead of doing that and telling us and giving us all that information, and by it being her birthday, I thought, you know what I mean, she would treat her birthday the same exact way she treated her twins' birthday. All right. But instead, you felt the need to come on camera and say, first things first, CPS has came to my house again. Now, people are asking me, do I really think that this is true? Y'all know how I am. I'm going to tell y'all the truth for what it is, whether you hate me or you don't like me. But what I am going to say is that I, myself, me, she, does not know. The last time that Chrissy got onto this platform and said that CPS had came to her house, I got on here very openly and said that she was lying. But no, she was not lying at all. At all. Okay? So with that being said, I cannot say whether she's lying, whether she's not. I have to be honest where I am at. You know, my state, not your state, when you get ready to post a comment, my state normally does not come out on Saturday and Sunday to view cases. At least where I live at, they don't do that. Where you may live at, that's what they may do over there. But where I am at, I have never, ever experienced that. Okay. Again, we have group homes. So a lot of those type of kids, you know, are in our homes. And I can say that I've never had one brought out. Maybe if it's an emergency, I have seen them try to place them with a foster parent, you know, until the next day. All right. So she decided, as I said, she decided to come on here and talk about CPS. Now, you get very, very upset, as well as your cousins and your little Chrissy puppies. They know who they are. But they get very upset when someone decides to speak on this. Like, they'll be mad because I'm speaking on it right now. Oh, Chrissy is a good mom. No one should do that for her. No one should do that to her. She's such an amazing woman. Okay. Now, have I ever seen Chrissy be mean to her kids? Be irresponsible with them? No, I gotta be honest. I have never ever witnessed Chrissy treat her kids in the way that someone needs to call CPS on her. Okay. In her comments of this video, I noticed it was a couple people in that video saying that, oh, Reese did it. Oh, no. Let's get that clear right now. I didn't do anything, Chrissy cousins. And I'm also going to put your names in this video. Nothing at all. I make videos on her. Sorry to say, but I could care less about her kids. You get what I'm saying? Clearly. And I could care less what you guys have to say. But I will put those names in this video to the dummies, because that's exactly what you are, a dummy. I'll be sure to put your name in this video. Now, the thing that gets me is this. They've already came to your home once. You spoke to them, you spoke over everything, and, you know, you said that you addressed the cocaine and, you know, all of that that they had to say. But, see, this is where you call yourself a boss mom, a boss bitch. And I am getting ready to break it down for you very clear. The first time they came to your home, you should have let that roll right on off your back onto your flat ass. You should have let it roll, okay? Take it all in stride, right? Now, this second time where you said that you were actually in the shower and your kids told you that someone was at the door, it would have went like this, Chrissy. Hello? Go sit down. Kingsley. King. Now. Sorry, it would have went like this. Excuse me. Would you mind letting me in? This is Texas Child Protective Services, and we are here to make sure that the well-being of your kids is done. We have received a call. Multiple calls have been made, so therefore we are coming out. My badge number is 1234. Can you please open the door, Miss Christina? It would have been just like this. There would have been, and I think you have a window maybe in the front of your house. I would have raised the shade. I would have took my 9 kids and took them over to the window. I would have let the window up a little bit, and I would have said, excuse me? What's going on here? Again, we are here to make sure that the well-being of your kids is being done. This is actually our second time. Can you please let us in? Excuse me? No, I'm not letting you in. I'm not letting you in at all. I would have said, kid, say what your name is, 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 say what your name is. Then I would have said, what else do you fucking want? That's exactly what I would have said. They again are going to say, would you please let us in? Again, I would say, fuck you. I am not letting you in at all. They would say, no ma'am, Christina, you have to open the door for us to come in. I would then say, go to fucking hell. I guess you do not know the law. I am not letting you the fuck in. What I am getting ready to do is pull this entire shade down, as well as pull my window down to keep from speaking to you. If you have any other questions, please do not come back to my home unless you come back with a police officer with a warrant. Other than that, it is my birthday. Have a fucking nice day, and I will enjoy my birthday as well. Would you guys like to say happy birthday to me? Actually, would you guys like to sing the birthday song to me? Yeah, y'all already know I'm real extra. That is exactly what I would have done. Okay? I might have taken my cake outside and even put some candles on it and asked them, would you like to celebrate with me very quickly? That's right. Now, I also may have reacted in this way as well.
My name's Alyssa.
No, I'm not going to talk to you. You get the fuck off my property. You get out of here. No. There was no. Get the fuck out of here. You ain't got a warrant. Get the fuck out of here. Okay? I don't give a fuck what you think you have, bitch. Get off my fucking property.
Okay, can you tell me why?
Get the fuck off my property.
Okay, we'll leave.
We're just here to check on the son's safety, that's all.
There was already a police thing done. There's nothing here.
I don't know anything about
Fuck
that.
you, bitch. You don't fucking know nothing. Fuck you.
Why do you want to cuss her out?
Because she's a state goddamn fucking piece of shit worker. That's fucking why. I don't give a fuck. What the fuck? She ain't shit. Do you understand? There were no laws broken. There was no nothing done. I am not fucking with you. I am not fucking with you.
And there's no responsibility. We've been nothing but
Bullshit. I don't give a fuck. These people aren't fucking nice. They're not your goddamn friend. I don't know who the fuck you think you are, because I've already had police at my motherfucking house. They did their investigation. They found nothing. Now you need to get your little self down that motherfucking road unless you got a goddamn warrant.
Would you like a card with my name on it?
I don't want shit from you. You had no business being here. You have no business fucking with me. You have no business.
And I'm trying to explain it to you. She does.
No, she doesn't. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. It is not the goddamn law.
No, Chrissy, you probably should be giving me money or something. You probably should be giving me a shout out, because I just schooled you and taught you something you probably never ever knew it existed. All right. See, you think you know about, these lashes and YouTube and stuff, but the real shit that you need to know, that's what you need to start taking note on. Start watching a little bit of other YouTubers, because see, most of us YouTubers that we are just kind of here, we actually know the fucking law. Check it out. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video.